Introducing AltoCMMS Pro, the ultimate smart building management platform, purpose-built for facility management teams. Start with a high-level dashboard. Track real-time assets, pending tasks, SLA alerts, and machine reliability, all visible in a single glance. Manage assets via QR scanning and interactive floor plans. AltoCMMS Pro syncs directly with your building's IoT, monitoring chillers and pumps live. It automatically schedules maintenance based on actual runtime and alerts you to any anomalies instantly. Handle corrective, PM, and predictive tasks via list or Kanban views. Our AI suggestions analyze reported issues to recommend root causes and repair steps the moment you type. Automate preventive maintenance by date or meter readings. The runtime monitor tracks remaining hours until the next service, ensuring no task is ever missed on the unified calendar. Scale across multi-site locations with ease. Track spare parts with auto low stock alerts and generate instant PDF for Excel reports on costs, analytics, and PM compliance. Query data or create work orders via the AI chat assistant in English or Thai. Experience a stunning mobile responsive OLED dark mode interface. Accessible anytime, anywhere via mobile. AltoCMMS Pro, the complete, all-in-one platform for modern facility management. Get started with AltoTech.ai today. Reach out to us now.